What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tori and I am back with another video. Today is another try on haul. So I did get a few items, not a lot, from Shein, and I've never bought anything from Shein before. Shein, I don't know how it's pronounced, but I decided that I wanted to look at their workout gear because I've been on my fitness journey lately. So I like having cute clothes when I go to the gym, and yeah, I was like, I went on Shein and I saw that like their workout clothes was not that expensive compared to like other brands. So I was like, let me try them out. So I got like 2 outfits from there because I went to see the material first. And I also have a quick Fabletics haul. I do have a Fabletics membership. So I do pay like $50 a month and I get an outfit. So this was the outfit for the month, for last month, that I got, but I didn't try on, so I wanted to include that too. So let's get into it. All right, so the first outfit is from Shein. So this one, I'll put something right here on how it looks on the model. So this is a short sleeve set. Yes, y'all, I like it. I like the color and the material is really nice. It's let me see the tag. So it's 92% nylon and 8% spandex. And then this is the shorts. So I think this is, yep, this is the front. So I'm gonna try these on, see how they look, and let's see. All right, you guys, so this is the top. As you can see, kind of has those parts that go around your boob. I do have a regular bra on, so it's not like under it. So this is how the top looks. Let me show you guys the bottom. And then the bottom are pretty nice too. The bottom are pretty nice too. They do shape your butt a bit. And they kind of, you know, they end up meeting. So I like them. So yeah, let's try the other one. All right, you guys, so this one, like I said, is really nice. I wish this part was a bit like tighter. I don't know, it's just like a minor thing, but I wish it was like tighter, like kind of like, you know, it kind of flaps away. So, but other than that, I do like this one, and it really comes up like when you sit. Like, let me show you. When you sit, like it meets it. So I like that. Kind of like a mini waist trainer in a shorts. So let me show you the other one that I got. So the other one that I got is this peach looking color, and it is so cute. So this one's a pants set. So this is the pants, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the camera, but this is how the material looks. Very nice, stretchy but not too stretchy. And this one, let's see, it's 90% nylon, 10% spandex, so a bit more spandex in this one. But yeah, this is the pants. It also has the shape around the butt that's been trending too. Show you. So yeah, it has that lining that kind of, you know, gives your butt that nice shape. And then this is the top. So the top is really cute too, but what makes it stand out is the back. So it has an opening in it, and I feel like that's really, like, that's a nice little look. It doesn't have to like always be in the front. And yeah, oh, I didn't even tell y'all how much these were. I don't remember, but I will put them in the description. I think this set was like $17.99, and then this one was either $19.99 or $20 something, but I will link them. So yeah, let me try on this one and get back to you. All right, you guys, so I'm back with this one, and like, yeah, it feels so nice. So first it comes with this part where you can put your hand through. So I love these when they have this, because when you lift weights, you know, it makes it easier than having to get like those gloves. You know, it's already like covering it so your hand doesn't rub against it. So I like that. But let me show you the whole outfit because it is so cute. Right, so you guys, this is the full outfit, and so this is how it looks. I don't have a bra on, sorry, but I just wanted to make sure like it fit perfectly. So this is the top, and then this is how the back looks. It's all cut out. So these are the bottoms, and y'all, it feels so good. Like honestly, I like it. It's really comfy. Like some of these workout clothes can be itchy. At least for me, I have like really sensitive skin, so like finding like a pair that's not like compressed things against my skin really causes it to itch. But like this feels amazing. Like I feel great. So yeah, can't wait to wear it. Let's try the other one. So now that I've tried this one, it does feel great. Like I said, the fabric feels really good. It's very comfortable, very breathable too, so I like that. And the last one I have, this outfit is from Fabletics. So I got this for my March one. I got it like mid-March when I cashed out, and the bottom is for like $65, y'all. So the bottom was like $65, and then the top was, how much was it? It was $35. It was $35, and in total I got these for $49.95, and then I put like $3 for shipping. So I feel like that's a steal because y'all, these outfits are mad expensive. Like workout clothes is mad expensive. That's why I didn't buy more from Shein, because I was like, it's such a good price. Like, is the material good? Because like I don't like when I buy workout clothes that are cheap and they keep like falling down when you exercise, or you know, a nip slip or something in like the bras. Like I like something that's compressed, that can hold everything together. So I was a bit like, should I buy it? So now I'm just like, I should have bought more, because like Shein, like these are nice. Like this is nice. So I'm definitely going back on there. I'm buying that short set in all the colors, and then I'm gonna buy more of these because it is really nice. But yeah, let's try on the one from Fabletics. I didn't even show y'all. So basically the top is kind of like a, I'll put the model here, but the top is that style where you kind of put your sleeves on one side. So it's a bralette, and then it's this like stripe material, really good. And this material though, you can tell it's like a lot more, you know, durable compared to the Shein one, but it doesn't take away from the Shein outfit. This one, let's see what the material is. So it's 70% nylon, 24% polyester, and then 6% elastane. So this one has like an added material in it, which probably, you know, helps to make it like this. And then the pant set is similar, high-waisted from what you've seen. Y'all, I only wear high-waisted gym clothes. I don't know, it's something about it. It just makes you like put you more together. When I wear bras, I don't like my whole stomach being out, even though I don't have, my stomach is pretty flat, but I'm not at that stage yet. I don't like having all the skin out at the gym, so I like a good high waist. So let's try this on and I'll get back to you. All right, you guys, so I'm back with this one, and like I really like this one. Like it does have a bit of boob right here, but I like the style. Like one thing I hate about Fabletics tags, they are so long. I'm about to cut this off, but I went to see like what fabric it had. But yeah, this is how it looks. Let me stand up so you can see the full outfit. All right, so this is how it looks, you guys. So it really shapes you in. Okay, I love it, you guys. Like, it is so comfy too. This is another one. It is a bit more like compressed compared to the Shein ones, but it feels amazing. It's very comfy, very easy to put on. Let me see if I can bring you back a bit for you to see like my legs. And this is how it looks. It does fit your butt really nice, and yeah, I do love it. Even though I'm moving, I don't feel like, you know, my boobs will fall out, even though it does come over to the side. It feels like really good. I like it. So yeah, and when you sit down, it comes up, holds everything in. I like that. So yeah, these are all the outfits that I got. So this one's from Fabletics, the last two was from Shein, and honestly they fit really well. I like them. They're really comfy, really easy to put on. For the sizing, I did get all my pants and the shorts in a small, and normally I wear extra small or a small. I did gain a bit of weight, you know, over the year, so I am a small now. I could do a medium sometimes, but the medium, I would say not to go up a size, because you don't want it falling off your hips when you're working out, or it keeps sliding down and you keep having to pull it up. So I go with a small, and it fits perfect. I do go a size up for the bra, so I get medium all the time, just so it fits really well, because I made that mistake and I do have a bit of cleavage, so I do have to go up. But yeah, overall I like them. Definitely check out Shein because they are bomb. I'm gonna be on there shopping for the rest of my workout gear, and then I'm waiting for the April one to come in that I got for Fabletics. I think, who is it, Kevin Hart and his wife and Nico, they did some items on there for this month, so I got her one of her outfits with my member credit, so I'm waiting for that to come. So if you want to see how that one looks, make sure to go over to my fitness page on Instagram, where I'm starting out. It's a pretty new account, so I'm still kind of figuring out how I want to post things on there, but make sure you go check it out so you can see that outfit, and I will link it in the description along with my my regular Instagram. And yeah, make sure to go check me out on there, and make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel because it's free, and why not? I post so many other things on here, and I'm getting into hauls, so make sure you subscribe. All right, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.